Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Scholarship Network. Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. If you are free at home and want to do some productive activities, so that video is for you. Today I will discuss how to get free certificate from world top ranked university within just 3 hours. Yes, just in 3 hours from the Harvard University. I already made a video on how to do free online courses from Harvard, but in those courses you have to pay a little bit for the certificate. But today I will discuss those courses in which you will get 100% free certificate from Harvard University. All the links are given in the description. If you want to know how to apply, then watch the video till the end. One more thing, I'm also student and I'm used to serve my leisure time to make these videos to help you. So please subscribe to my channel. How you can apply in it, who are the eligible. So let's start the video. I will discuss each and every point in the video. One more thing I want to add here is that these courses are free and you will get certificate due to COVID-19. In this current condition of COVID-19, Harvard University is trying to engage the candidates across the world in short courses. Candidates from all over the world are welcomed by the professional crew of Harvard Medical School. That means no nationality restriction for any country. You can utilize your time in more productive things in this pandemic by enrolling in these courses. Harvard Medical School is a graduate medical school of Harvard University. It is offering multiple learning opportunities including modules and online courses for all the candidates across the world. But today I will only discuss about free online courses with verified free certificate from Harvard Medical School. You will get it at the end of the course. Getting a certificate in all the courses is really very easy. And best thing about these courses is that awarded certificates are verified by Harvard University. After the completion of a course, a test will be held by Harvard Medical School. If you will get 75% marks, then congratulations. Yes, you have passed the test and now you are eligible to receive a free certificate from world top ranked Harvard Medical School. Eligibility criteria. If we discuss about the eligibility criteria, no educational or academic restrictions, but my recommendation is for biology related students. However, if you are from math side, then also apply if you want. Language skills are not needed, mean no IELTS is required at all. Last academic degree is not required. Native of any country can apply. There are no hidden charges or entry fee for online courses, as well as the certificate is also free. Benefits of the online courses. You will receive a verified certificate from the Harvard University. Assessment at the end of course will boost your skill. There is no deadline or specific time duration for these online courses. No specific qualification criteria is required for enrollment. You can get yourself enrolled for free and without any complicated application procedure. You don't have to pay anything for your tuition fee or entry fee. You don't have to bound yourself for online classes because there is no specific time to attend your classes. You can attend lectures at any free time and any place according to your own willing. Now moving toward how to enroll yourself. If you want to enroll in the free online courses of University of Oxford, then click on the Apply Now button, which is given below. Official website will appear, and scroll down on this page and you will view some recordings. June recordings, May recordings, and many other old recordings are available. These recordings are actually the courses offered by Howard University. All the recordings are usually 2 to 3 are long. You can choose any recording as your course of study. Click on the recording of your desired course. It will take you directly to the related video of the course. Suppose I'm clicking on the latest one. If you click on the video of the course will start it. The professors who are teaching and educating the candidates in videos are the working professors and the staff of Howard Medical School. Right after completing your course video, and if you have completely got what was taught in the video, you have completed a portion of your course, then apply for free certificate. Now all you have to do is click on claim credit button, which is just below the video. A new page will open, then click here to claim credit button. Another page will appear. There you have to provide the following information: first name, last name, email address. After providing entire information, click on submit button. A page will appear. This page have a bar which will show your overall progress throughout the course. Right below the bar is an empty space. There you have to enter your real full name which you want to be mentioned on your certificate. After typing your name, check the box below and click on next. A course review form will appear and you have to fill it out. If you scroll down the page, you will see two options. One option is to get certificate, which is for specified for physicians. The other option is to get the certificate, which is specified for students or professional learners. After picking the type of certificate you want, click on the next button. A page will appear showing your final test sheet. There you can just choose the multiple choice questions. You have to get at least 75% marks in the test to make you eligible for the certificate. So attempt all the multiple questions carefully. So I'm giving a demo, however I don't watch the video. Click on the finish button after you have attempted your question paper. They clearly mention that if you have passed at least with a 75% marks, Howard Medical School will email you a certificate. That is all about how to apply and get the free certificate from the Howard University, which is the top ranked university in all over the world. And these courses are offered by Howard University only due to the COVID-19. So try to enroll yourself as soon as possible. So wish you all the best, and Allah Hafiz.